Ever felt butterflies in your stomach before a big exam or an interview? Or craved junk food when you're stressed? That's not random, it's your gut and brain talking to each other. Your stomach has around 500 million neurons, nerve cells, which is why scientists call it the second brain. It sends signals straight to your actual brain through something called the gut-brain axis, fancy name, but all it means is that your stomach and brain are connected like a WhatsApp group chat. So, if your gut is happy, you feel happy. But if your gut is upset, well, let's just say your mood, focus, and energy levels go downhill fast. Okay, here's something crazy. Inside your stomach, there are trillions of bacteria. Yep, trillions. That's more than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Some of these bacteria are your best friends. They digest food, protect your immune system, and even make you happier by producing serotonin, the feel-good hormone. These are called probiotics. But then, there are the bad guys, bacteria that cause bloating, gas, sickness, and inflammation. These are linked to weight gain, depression, and even diseases like diabetes. So, your gut is basically a battlefield where the good and bad bacteria are fighting for control. And guess what? The food you eat decides the winner. Okay, here's the scary part. Most of us are destroying our gut health every single day without realizing it. And these top 4 gut killers are: too much junk food and sugar. It feeds the bad bacteria like fuel on a fire. Overuse of antibiotics. Yes, antibiotics fight infections, but they also wipe out the good bacteria. Chronic stress. Stress literally changes the bacteria in your gut and weakens your immune system. Lack of sleep. Poor sleep messes up your digestion and increases cravings for unhealthy foods. If you keep doing these things, your gut will become weak, inflamed, and imbalanced. And that leads to bloating, low energy, depression, and even skin problems like acne. But don't worry, we're about to fix it. Now for the good news. Fixing your gut is actually super easy. All you need to do is start feeding the good bacteria and getting rid of the bad ones. And you can do it by 5 simple ways. Eat more fiber. Fruits, veggies, and whole grains keep your gut bacteria strong. Add probiotics. Yogurt, kimchi, and pickles are packed with good bacteria. Drink more water. Water keeps digestion running smoothly. Reduce stress. Try meditation, deep breathing, or just take a walk. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours so your gut can recover. Your gut is like a pet. Feed it well, treat it kindly, and it will reward you with amazing energy, mood, and health. So, now you know, the secret to better health, more energy, and even a better mood is sitting right in your stomach. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so we can learn more cool stuff together. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite gut-friendly food? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.